One of my most favorite fashion mantras has always been that I want to look like $1 million without spending it. And in order to achieve that, I always look for good quality fabrics, clean tailoring, and a neutral color palette. Today's summer capsule wardrobe is inspired by understated, quiet luxury brands like the Row, Kate, and Brunello Cucinelli. I can't afford these brands, but I hope you find this summer capsule wardrobe captures the essence of this quiet luxury aesthetic. Let's begin. My first summer capsule item, of course, has to be t-shirts and tank tops. They truly are a crucial year-round building block for a stylish outfit. Wear them alone or as a first layer, as you'll see throughout this video. Look for a high-quality cotton that has a good weight to it and will keep its shape after washing. I love Uniqlo's cotton t-shirts and tank tops, but I hear COS also makes really good ones too. I neglected these key items for so long, thinking they are far too boring, but they are a key component to looking chic and effortless. Next up is a linen shirt. Lightweight and breathable, these are the perfect addition for your summer wardrobe. They look elevated when tucked into some tailored trousers, but can also be very casual, worn with some shorts. Vests became one of my favorite trends of spring, and they are going strong for summer too. It's a great alternative to a tank top, but feel free to layer it over a tee if you prefer. I love that look as well. They create a more polished, sophisticated outfit without much effort. I love this one from Banana Republic Factory. I did a little shopping the other day and fell in love with so many of their summer pieces, so there's lots of it in this video. They have a very Brunello Cucinelli vibe going on, so it's a really great quiet luxury option for less. Sleeveless shirts are very necessary for me in the summer. These utility style tops caught my eye. Pockets are everywhere this season, so if you haven't embraced the cargo trend yet, perhaps you can dip your toe in the trend with a shirt instead. These look fabulous tucked in or worn open over a t-shirt or tank top. I love how easily you can dress up or dress down these tops. I'll link some alternatives with sleeves just in case you need something with more coverage. And speaking of more coverage, my go-to outerwear for a quiet luxury aesthetic is a neutral-toned linen blazer. I love this one from Banana Republic Factory. It's supposed to be a fitted silhouette, but I sized up to a US 12 to get that oversized look that I love so much. Wear it casually with a t-shirt and jeans, or elevate it with some classy Bermuda shorts for a smart, casual look. I've never been much of a fan of Bermuda shorts, but these Banana Republic Factory herringbone linen blend shorts really grabbed my attention. To make them more wearable and flattering, pair them with an open-heeled shoe like a mule or a slide. It helps elongate the leg more since these shorts are kind of at an awkward length. Also, tuck in your top or wear a shorter top to emphasize the waist. This fabric is also a perfect match to the vest I showed you earlier, and I'm absolutely loving cord sets for summer. We're about halfway through the video, so I'm giving you a quick reminder to please give it a big thumbs up if you're enjoying it so far. And if you are new here, I'd love it if you please stick around. Hit that subscribe button because I'd love to see you back here again. And speaking of cord sets, you have another option here with the midi skirt, which also matches the vest perfectly. I was drawn to the front slit and the pleated front. Both details add visual interest and help draw the eye away from a non-favorable length. I love this skirt so much I almost forgot it was a midi. This cargo mini skirt ticks off that trend box, but also feels rather classic, because utility style always seems to be around in some form or another. It just happens to be more in the spotlight this season. Although it is a mini skirt, it is not too short, and I feel very comfortable in this length. Linen or linen blend trousers are a perfect way to stay cool but polished and put together. I love these beige trousers with a paper bag waist, always a favorite of mine. I can easily ignore the volume added by the pleats because it actually makes my waist look much smaller than it is. It's really such a great illusion. I love it with a fitted tank top, but I also love it with this utility top as well. My secret is I scrunch all the excess material to the back so that it can look a little more fitted up front. These loose, flowy trousers are what I'm going to be reaching for on the hottest of days. And on those milder days, I love a neutral beige denim. I found these at Banana Republic Factory, and they are basically the same wide leg trousers I have in blue. You know the ones, I've been wearing them all spring, so when I saw these gorgeous creamy ivory ones, I just had to have them. Wide leg pants and trousers are continuing to trend strongly for summer, and I thought this neutral color elevates them but still keeps me very modern and chic. I hope you enjoyed my interpretation of a quiet luxury summer capsule. If you did, please make sure to give this a big thumbs up. And if you enjoyed this type of content and you're new here, I'd love it if you please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss my next upload. I'm here every Wednesday and I'd love to see you come back. Make sure you leave a comment and let me know what you think of the quiet luxury aesthetic and what you thought of my capsule. Let me know what your favorite outfit was because I love chatting with you in the comments. So let's continue the conversation down below. And here's a couple of videos that you can watch next. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate all your love and support. I'm so happy you're here, and I'll see you next Wednesday. Bye.